Hello, today you're looking at a rapid 1500 amp 12 volt air-cooled rectifier brought to you by Lanco. Unit is wired for a 480 volt three-phase, has been tested and checked out here at Lanco. Very nice conditioned unit. We'll turn it on here in a second so you can see and hear it go. It does have a remote control. Here is the remote. We'll turn it on again in a couple seconds. Overall dimensions, 25 inches long by 30 inches wide by 43 inches high. Weighs roughly 390 pounds. Okay, we'll come back around to the remote, turn it on so you can see and hear it in operation. And the O-scope wave as well. Very nice working machine. If you're interested, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.